Welcome to the homestead, friends. Today we're going to make some banana bread and banana muffins and we're going to top it off with the homemade vanilla sugar. I'm on my way out to see if we have any more eggs. Some of the girls are naughty and they don't lay them first thing in the morning. It takes them all day to push those things out. So we're just going to go see if we have any fresh eggs. All right. We're going to go inside and make that banana bread, and we're going to make that banana bread and those banana muffins. Come along and I'll show you how to do it. All right. So we are going to start with the flour. I'm making a double batch because I have a lot of ripe bananas. So for a single recipe, it's going to be 2 cups of flour. Going to be 1 teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. All right, I'm going to whisk that all together. That way it's all incorporated already before we put it into the mixer. If you use Parmesan cheese, save the lids and they fit on your small mouth ball jars. In the mixer, put 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of molasses. Measure with your heart. We're going to put in 1 cup of butter. You can save these if you use a cake pan or muffin tins. You can use this paper to grease your pans. All right, we're going to blend the sugar and the butter. We're going to cream it. Put in a teaspoon of vanilla. Scrape down the butter here. All right, we're going to put in 2 eggs. Again, I doubled my recipe, so I have 4. Just going to scrape down the sides again here real quick. I have 6 ripe bananas, so I'm going to be putting those all in here. For a single recipe, it's going to be 3 to 4, your choice. I usually always go more. I don't pre-smash them. I let my mixer do it. And if you compost, don't forget to put your banana peels in there. a lot of time so you don't get the flour cloud. I forgot to add this in. Secret ingredient, I do a dash of nutmeg and some ginger. It's just kind of a little secret that is different from everyone else's. Should be about a teaspoon of ginger. It's starting to get a little thick. So I'm going to add about a half a cup of sour cream. If you didn't have sour cream, you can add a little bit of milk to it if it's too thick. I don't like it too runny. I don't like it too thick. I like it just right. Make sure none of that butter stuck to the bottom. All right, so I have a cookie dough scoop here. It's a 1/4 cup, and that's what I use to fill my muffin cups, so everything's the same size. All right, and then I have a smaller scoop, which is about 1/16 of a cup for these little miniatures here. Non-stick cooking spray. And these ones I'm just going to eyeball about 3/4 full. Then we have the vanilla sugar. So I just kind of scoop around the pods and just tap, tap, tap that spoon. And this stuff is delicious. Check out my video on how you make homemade vanilla and homemade vanilla sugar. You see that little pod fall in there? Take that out. All right, we're gonna go into the oven with the muffins, and it's gonna be 350 degrees. Check them after 18 and see how they look. And your loaves here, I'm gonna go 30 minutes, and these will take about 15. All of our banana treats are done cooking. So here, I'm gonna show you. Here's the mini loaves that we made. 12 cupcakes. 12 mini muffins, and the banana cake. Doesn't that look so good? And it was all made with the same batter. So I'll try one of these for you. Oh, shucks. Delicious. I think this is going to be husband approved and friend approved and family approved. And when you live in a tiny space, you just have to deal with what you have. So I do have the racks that stack. All right, racks that stack, and then I put another rack on top of my pressure cooker with the lid upside down, so that provides another shelf when you live in a small space. It works. So, whether you need a finger food for a party, you have the little muffins. You want to take some cupcakes or muffins to work, or just have banana bread to snack on or wrap up and give away as a gift, we got you covered. Thank you for watching, and thank you for spending your time with me. God bless. Until next time.